In this question, we're going to write a Python program that will return false if the two given float values are equal or their difference is 10. So I'm going to define a function, and I say, for instance, the name of the function is numbers, and I'm going to pass in two parameters representing those two given floats. So for instance, A, B, and I'm going to say, I'm going to write the condition. So our condition is if they're equal or their difference is 10, we're going to return false. So if A equals B or A minus B equals to 10, then return false. Let's make a space here. And then what if this if statement is not satisfied? Then go for else statement and run it. So then return true. And because I'm not sure if the user is going to enter A greater than B or not, then I'm going to put absolute amount, abs for absolute. So it's better now. So it's going to return something regardless. The result is going to be regardless the sign. And now let's run it. So numbers, and then inside parentheses 2 arguments needed. So I'm going to say, for instance, 10 and 20. And as you can see, so it returned false because the first condition is satisfied. Now let's try another one. For instance, 15, and then true. Because the first condition is not satisfied, it had to go to run the else statement. And we know that 15 and 10 are not equal, and 15 minus 10, or 10 minus 15, absolute amount is going to be 5, which is not 10, therefore it's going to return true. That's all about this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial.